Hi, my name is Gordon Dean. I'm the Vice President of Learning and Development for Cleanup and Total Restoration. Now, we've all heard a lot about the coronavirus and what you can do to prepare for it. Seeing the long lines at Costco or the bare shelves along the toilet paper aisle at Walmart has probably made you wonder if you should be doing more. Radio and TV stations are filled with commentary about how to avoid catching the virus, which age groups are most susceptible, and self-tests to determine whether you might be affected. Literally, the whole world is talking about this infection. But the processes used to minimize the spread of the coronavirus are not new. In specifying coronavirus infection control methods to managers of long-term care facilities, which house some of the highest risk populations, the CDC recommends that these facilities use the very same strategies that they use every day to detect and prevent the spread of other respiratory viruses, like influenza. What are these strategies? Well, first, on an individual level, thorough and frequent hand washing is probably the most effective and important step in protecting oneself. On an environmental level, homes and indoor facilities can clean and disinfect surfaces and content. Cleaning doesn't kill germs, but cleaning with soap and water removes many germs, lowering their numbers and reducing the spread of infection. Now, disinfecting after effective cleaning kills germs on the surface or objects, further lowering the risk of spreading infection. Cleaning and disinfecting surfaces and objects sounds relatively simple, but doing so safely and effectively requires a little know-how. It is important to select the right chemical product to treat the specific germs you intend to eliminate, and to apply those chemicals safely and effectively and thoroughly without causing harm to humans or animals that may later come in contact with the treated surface. If you have concerns about cleaning and disinfecting areas of your home, business, or indoor facilities, CTR is ready to help you. We've been in the infection control business for a lot of years and have a thorough understanding of which chemicals to use for various types of germs and how to use them safely. Now, we also use a state-of-the-art application process which electrostatically charges chemical particles, allowing them to completely wrap around the surfaces or objects being treated. Now, because the coverage is so consistent and effective, we can actually reduce the amount of chemical used, which can then limit the amount of time necessary to be away from the area being treated. If you have cleaning, disinfecting, or infection control needs related to the coronavirus or any other virus or bacteria, please give us a call. We would love to help. Please visit our website at www.ctr-nw.com or call us at 208-377-1877. Thank you.